Azure Storage Redundancy. Now, what is the meaning of this redundancy basically, right? So redundancy means the availability and you can say uh, recovery basically, right? So the data should be available, whereas at the same time when there is need of a recovery, then it should be allowed, correct? So this is what the redundancy meaning. So data protection ensures your storage accounts meets availability and durability targets even in the face of failure. The key considerations are replication within the primary region, replication geographically, or read access to replicated data in the secondary region. Now redundancy in the primary region, that is the LRS and ZRS. So both having the 99.99% of durability, whereas LRS having the 11 nines over a year and zone redundant storage is having 12 nines over a year. Now, if we talk about the use case for the local LRS, that is very lowest cost, least durable, protects against rack and drive failures. GRS is something high availability, protect against zone failures. Now, LRS also have three regions and zone redundant storage also have three. We'll talk about this in the upcoming slides. Okay, this one you can see here, right? Locally redundant storage. So it has three copies, 1, 2, 3, and zone redundant storage having three zones, zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. In every zone, it have one copy, right? Copy 1, copy 2, copy 3. So these are zone redundant storage. Now redundancy in a secondary region, where we can see geo-redundant storage, where 16 nines of durability we can observe, and the use case is very high durability and disaster recovery, we can use ZRS. Similarly, for the maximum availability performance, we can go through for the zero zone redundant storage. And read access to secondary region, it allowed read access to data in the secondary region even when the primary region is operational. So if we see the read access geo redundant storage, you can see there is three copies which is getting the replica in the another data center that is in the secondary region. Okay, this one is the primary, this one is the secondary of read access geo redundant storage. Now this is the geo zone. Okay, this is one of the zone, this is the secondary zone, right? Now geo zone means geographically zone, it should be replicated. So in the primary region there is zone redundant storage where there is three availability zone. In secondary region we can see there is one LRS where it is getting taking the all the copy of these ZRS.